Making money online sounds great, but not every platform is as good as it seems. One website that has been getting a lot of attention is Testerup. They claim you can earn real money by testing apps, games, and websites. But is it actually worth your time? I decided to test it myself so you do not have to, and there are some important things you need to know before signing up. In this video, I will break down how Testerup works, the hidden details they do not tell you, and whether it is a legitimate way to make money or just another time-wasting scheme. First, it's important to note that this website was previously known as Testbird before undergoing a name change. Ever since the rebranding, many people have been curious and have asked me what other aspects of the platform have changed along with its name. However, the core principle of the website has remained largely the same. According to their claims, you can still become a member and participate in testing various surveys, games, different applications and websites, all with the potential to earn money in return. To get a better idea of its reputation, I looked into some reviews online. I came across this platform on Trustpilot, where it currently holds a rating of 4.2. Additionally, it is available for download on both Google Play and the App Store, where it maintains a rating of 4.1 out of 5. The company states that they have amassed over 3 million registered online testers, making it Germany's largest platform for paid online testing. However, despite these seemingly impressive numbers and claims, my main concern with this website is that in reality, there doesn't appear to be any actual testing involved. Let's take a moment to discuss who can actually join this platform. While it is available in many countries, it is important to note that not all regions have access. Some countries do not support the website or app, meaning users from those locations will not be able to sign up or participate. If you're unsure whether your country is eligible, the best way to find out is by visiting the website directly and checking for yourself. However, even if you are able to create an account and gain access, there are still several important factors to consider before deciding whether this platform is worth your time and effort. Now, let's break down one of the most eye-catching claims made by this website: the possibility of earning up to $120 per test offer. Additionally, they state that new members will receive over 50 test offers, supposedly worth more than $800 as soon as they complete the free registration process. According to the platform, you can participate in these tests using a smartphone, computer, or tablet, making it accessible across multiple devices. On the surface, all of this sounds promising, but let's take a closer look at what's really going on and how this system actually works. For example, when testing games, you are often required to reach a specific level before you can earn any money. In one instance, you might only receive $1 for reaching level 10. If you have ever played mobile games before, you probably know that reaching level 10 is not always quick or easy. It can take a significant amount of time, depending on the game. This was the first major red flag for me. The amount of money you actually earn in comparison to the time and effort required is extremely low, making it far from a worthwhile opportunity. Another major issue is that progressing in many of these games often requires making in-app purchases. In other words, you may find yourself in a situation where you have to spend money just to have the chance to earn money. For example, they might claim that you can earn $10, but only if you purchase something worth $10 first. Later on, if you manage to reach level 40, you might receive a $21 reward. While it's true that you're getting some money back, the catch is that you have to invest your own money up front, and leveling up in these games is often a slow and tedious process. This is a crucial detail that the platform is not very transparent about, and many users only realize it after they've already committed their time and money. If you don't take the time to carefully read the fine print, you might not fully understand what you're getting yourself into. This is exactly why it's so important to be aware of all the details before deciding to sign up. Many people are drawn in by the promise of high earnings and assume that making money on this platform will be quick and effortless. However, as we've already seen, that is far from the reality. The process is often much more time-consuming and demanding than it initially appears. Now, let's move on to another crucial aspect: withdrawals. The good news is that the platform does offer PayPal as a payment option, which is a convenient and widely used method. However, the bad news, and this is a major red flag, is that you must reach a minimum payout threshold of $70 before you are eligible to withdraw your earnings. This means that even after investing significant time and effort, you may find yourself unable to access your money until you meet this high requirement. Most other paid survey or testing websites have much lower withdrawal limits, making this $70 threshold stand out as a major issue. In my opinion, this is a huge drawback. Reaching $70 on this platform is incredibly difficult and requires a significant amount of time and effort. Instead of grinding for weeks or even months just to hit the payout requirement, you could easily invest your time elsewhere and earn far more money with much less hassle. If Testerup were upfront and honest about how much time and effort it actually takes to earn money, the situation would be different. However, nowhere on their website do they clearly explain just how long it will take to accumulate enough earnings for a withdrawal. Even if the claims about potential earnings are technically true, they fail to mention that making any real money on the platform is a slow and frustrating process. This lack of transparency is what causes so many users to feel misled and disappointed. Another major issue is that what Testerup calls testing doesn't actually involve any real testing at all. Typically, when companies pay users to test a product, they expect feedback on performance, usability, and overall experience. However, Testerup does not ask for any feedback on the apps or games you interact with. This strongly suggests that their main goal is not to conduct genuine user testing, but rather to promote specific apps and websites, likely as part of paid partnerships with developers. One clear example of this is the Nielsen app. Nielsen is a well-known and reputable company, but Testerup lists it as a test opportunity. In reality, there is no actual testing involved. It's simply a method to get more users onto Nielsen's platform. Testerup likely earns a commission or referral fee from companies like Nielsen for every new user they bring in. The issue here is that they present it as a legitimate testing opportunity when, in reality, it's nothing more than advertising disguised as a paid task. This kind of misleading presentation makes it seem like you're signing up for something valuable when you're really just being funneled into another company's user base. Another major red flag is Testerup's claim that you can become a premium tester. They suggest that by achieving this status, you'll gain access to higher-paying test opportunities. However, since we've already established that Testerup isn't truly about testing, this offer doesn't seem like a real opportunity. Instead, it appears to be just another way to keep users engaged and encourage them to complete more offers, possibly benefiting Testerup and its partnered companies far more than the users themselves. The only real benefit of the platform is that they pay through PayPal. However, reaching the $70 withdrawal threshold is extremely difficult. They advertise test offers that supposedly pay $120, but in reality, completing a single test can take 6 to 8 months. If Testerup were completely transparent and upfront about the amount of time and money users need to invest in order to earn rewards, it would be a different story. People could make an informed decision about whether or not it's worth their effort. However, because they fail to clearly disclose these crucial details, I cannot recommend this platform. The way they present their opportunities makes it seem far easier and more rewarding than it actually is, which can lead to frustration and wasted time for many users. If you've personally tried Testerup, your experience may have been different. Perhaps you found a way to make it work for you. But for those who haven't yet signed up, I simply don't see this as a worthwhile opportunity. There are many other websites where you can invest your time and actually earn money in a more efficient and reliable way. Unfortunately, Testerup is not one of them. I also looked into online reviews, including discussions on Reddit, and found a significant number of complaints. Many users reported that after spending both time and money, they were still unable to reach the $70 payout threshold. Some even mentioned that once they got close to the minimum withdrawal amount, their available offers suddenly disappeared, making it impossible for them to cash out. Others expressed frustration over Testerup's lack of customer support, stating that their inquiries went unanswered. Based on my own experience and the reviews I've seen, Testerup does not seem like a reliable way to make money. They do not provide real testing opportunities, nor are they transparent about how their system actually works. Instead, their main focus appears to be promoting apps and games rather than offering legitimate paid testing jobs. If you're looking for a genuine way to earn money online, I strongly recommend exploring other platforms. There are far better options out there where your time and effort will actually pay off. That's it. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.